Hello dear students, welcome back to my video. Today we can discuss about real number, the basic concept of real numbers and its properties. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's discuss real numbers. I will show you some numbers like 2, 4.5, minus 3.9, 0.0012, 3 by 8, pi, 100, etc. These list of numbers are called real numbers. Then you have wonder what is real number? Any number you can think of is a real number. So you may wonder what is not real number? The number which is imaginary numbers or infinity is not a real number. These two numbers are not real number. Other all numbers are called real number. Imaginary number means root of negative number. This is the imaginary number. Then infinity, we all know the not defined number, 1 by 0, etc. or infinity. This is not defined. So this is not real number. Other all numbers are called real numbers. We can say whole numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, etc. are real numbers. Whole numbers means numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Then rational numbers means the numbers like fractions or decimal, 3 by 4, 0.1, 0.6, 1 by 2, etc. Then irrational number means numbers like pi, root 2, root 5, etc. are irrational number. All these numbers together are called real numbers. Also, real numbers can also be positive, negative or 0. Next we can look the real number line. A real number line is like a geometric line. A point is chosen on a line to be the origin. 0 is origin. Then it is usual like normal number line 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. Also we can mark root 2, 5 by 2, pi, etc. in this number line. 5 by 2 means 2.5. This comes here. Pi is equal to 3.14. This comes here. Root 2 minus pi by 2 minus 2.5 minus 15 by 4, etc. Any number can be marked in this number line. This is the real number line. Here points to the right are positive. That is points from origin. Then the right side numbers are positive and left side numbers are negative. We cannot mark imaginary or not defined numbers in this number line. This is the real number line. A real number can have any number of digits either side of decimal point. We can write 150.00 or 1.2222 or 5.2 or 0.000001. These all are real number. Also we can write 1 by 3 which is equal to 0.333, etc. Here infinite number of digits are there. These all are real numbers. Why they are real numbers? Why we are calling these numbers as real numbers because they are not imaginary numbers. That is, real numbers are numbers which are not imaginary numbers. Real numbers had no name before imaginary number were thought of. That is, before we are not calling it as real number. After the studying of imaginary number, it came the name real numbers because the real numbers are numbers which are not imaginary numbers. Next we can look property of real number. First is zero product property. This property says that when we multiply a real number by 0, we get product as 0. It is simple. If we multiply any number with 0, the product is 0. 5 into 0 is 0. 1.5 into 0 is equal to 0. Minus 2 into 0 is equal to 0. 0.0001 into 0 is equal to 0. This is a zero product property. If we multiply any real number with 0, the product is 0. The real numbers are commutative, associative and distributive. We can look each property for addition and multiplication. First one, commutative property. The property is a plus b is equal to b plus a. A and b are real numbers. Then a into b is equal to b into a. For example, 1 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 1. If we change the position of number, answer is equal. 1 into 3 is equal to 3 into 1. This is for multiplication. Next one, associative property. Says that a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Then in case of multiplication, a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. For example, 1 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 6 plus 3. Also, 4 into 2 into 5 is equal to 4 into 2 into 5. We can add or multiply in any order. Next one, distributive. It says that a into b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. Also, b plus c into a is equal to ba plus ca. For example, 3 into 6 plus 2 is equal to 3 into 6 plus 3 into 2. Next, 6 plus 2 into 3 is equal to 6 into 3 plus 2 into 3. This is the distributive property. Next one, closure property. That is, real numbers are closed under addition and multiplication. It means that the result is also a real number. If we add or multiply real number, the result is also a real number. That is, a plus b is real, a into b is real. For example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 is real. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 is also real. That is, we can say real numbers are closed. Next, identity. A plus 0 is equal to a into 1 is equal to a. That is, adding 0 to the real number, we get real number itself, or multiplying by 1 to a real number, we will get the real number itself. For example, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Next, additive inverse. For addition, inverse of real number is its negative, and for multiplication, inverse is its reciprocal. First we can look additive inverse of addition. A plus minus A is equal to 0. A minus A is its additive inverse, that is its negative. Then A into 1 by A is equal to 1. For multiplication, inverse is reciprocal. Reciprocal means 1 by A. Reciprocal of A is 1 by A. For example, 6 plus minus 6 is equal to 0, or 6 into 1 by 6 is equal to 1. This is the additive inverse. Next, zero product. If AB equal to 0, we can say A equal to 0 or B equal to 0, or both A and B 0. For example, we can write 5 into 0 is equal to 0 into 5 is equal to 0. Next, negation. It means multiplying two negative number makes a positive number, or multiplying a negative and positive makes a negative number. For example, minus 1 into minus A. In multiplying negative numbers, minus 1 means minus of minus A, which is equal to A. We will get positive number. Next, minus A into minus B. We are multiplying both the negative number. The answer is positive number, AB. Or minus A into B is equal to A into minus B is equal to minus AB. If any one of the number is negative, answer is negative. For example, in first case, minus 1 into minus 3, which is equal to 3. Second, minus 3 into minus 2. The answer is 6, because minus into minus is plus. Next, minus 3 into 2, which is equal to 3 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 6. Answer is negative. That's all about real numbers and its properties. I hope you all like this video. If this video is useful, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.